Hi friends, back with me. In this video, I will give you a way to overcome the problem of a heavy-duty kitchenaid mixer machine not rotating. I will try turn on the mixer. It turned out the mixer does not want to spin. How to handle it? First, you open the back cover. Then you open the body bell. Open the body bell. Then you take off the stirrer. Do the power cable check. Oh no, it turned out the power cable is lost. Okay, I will retest the lost cable. Remove the screw. Open the lid. Try moving up and down, up, down. This is sweet speed rotating mixer. Speed medium. This is home carbon brush. Home carbon brush. After installing the lost cable, let us try it on. Yeah, mixer on. Mixer on. Yeah, mixer on. Problem mixer does not want to spin because lost cable. Now we put it back the body bell. Install the back cover. Install set screw. Then you install stirrer mixer clockwise. Okay, everything has been installed again. Now we try to turn on the mixer. And the mixer is already on. Yeah, mixer on. Okay, thank you all. I hope this video is useful for you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on every of my latest videos. Bye. Thank you.